Hello everybody! Today we're continuing to model the deer. This is the third part of our video series. By the end of this part, we'll have the deer like this one. What are we doing to do next? We'll unwrap it and then we'll add color. You can use my texture, I can share it with you. Or you can paint it directly in Blender using texture paint and the built-in tools. Next, select the edges you want, then go to Edge and click Maximum. Perfect, the seams are ready. Press A to select everything. Press U and choose Unwrap. Okay, done. Now let's go to UV editing and see what we got. Now let's switch to the UV editing workspace. Here we can select some UV points and pin them. When a point is pinned, it won't move during transformation. This is really useful when you are using tools like the Relax brush. The pinned points will stay exactly in place. We can also enable UV sync selection and select only specific faces, for example, the faces on the muzzle, and unwrap them in a different way. For instance, in the 3D view, you can choose Project from View, and the muzzle will unwrap differently. This is helpful if you want to use my texture. If you are going to paint your own texture, you don't need a perfect projection. Just make sure the UV layer is clean, the islands don't overlap, and the density is fairly even. Now let's move on the texture. First, make sure you switch to the shading workspace. At the bottom, open the shader editor. In the shader editor, go to the image menu. Then press Shift+A, choose Texture and select Image Texture. Click Open and choose the image you need, my texture, which I'll share with you. The link will be in the comments. Next, go to the UV editing and check them. All the UV islands match the texture. I placed them in the pretty straightforward way, so you shouldn't have any overlap. If everything lines up, get a phone like this. If you are using my texture, it might be easier to create the shader first. That way, you can see how the UV islands should be placed and position them directly on top of my texture. Now, let's look at another method. We'll paint the texture ourselves. If we want to paint the deer directly in Blender, we need to create a new image texture. Click New. Set the size to 4096 by 4096. That's 4K. For Alpha, set it to 0 and then create the new image. Now I'm going to show you how the Alpha works. If you connect the Alpha output to the shader's Alpha input, you can see the transparent areas. Next, switch to Texture Paint mode. Here you can choose a color and start painting. You can paint however you want, or you can repeat what I'm doing. We'll do the same with the eyes. First, we need to unwrap the UVs, go to Edit mode, select the edge you need, and then mark a seam. Press U, choose Unwrap, and go to the UV editing. If you want to apply my texture, you need to place the unwrapped eye UV exactly on top of the eye area on the texture, so it matches perfectly. If you are painting your own texture, then assign the same image texture we created for the phone to the eye. After that, switch to texture paint and paint the eye the same way. You can keep it simple or make it more detailed, whatever you prefer. With the same tools, we can easily paint the eye here. Thanks everyone for watching. Thanks for your comments and for subscribing. See you in the next part.